50onred.com. This is a traffic source that most likely you will not have heard of. And what it is, it's basically a PPC platform or pay-per-click platform. And you can buy different types of ads, whether they be in-text ads, search ads, or pop ads. In this video, I'm going to be talking about in-text ads, mainly because I know of somebody that's having success using that on this site. And in-text ads are basically, well, let's just say 50onred has an enormous network of content. So when advertisers such as yourself bid on a keyword, whether it be one word or a phrase, they would turn those words into contextual links that go back to the winning bidder's site. So for an example, let's say you bid on the keyword computers. Well, and let's say you win that bid. So what 50onred would do is, if there was a blog on that network that talked about computers or had the word computers in that blog or article, they would turn that into a link, and it would link back to your site, which would most likely be about computers, or you'd be selling on something on that site related to computers. Now, why is this a good traffic source? Well, people are reading rather than seeing an ad. So they're reading, and so they would have their guard down. Another reason this is a good traffic source is that it's cheap. It's also laser targeted, and you can advertise almost anything. And the key to success with this traffic source is, just like any traffic campaign, is to test and start small and then scale up.